Today subject social, class 5th to 6th classes. Our country India. Our country we know India. So today I explain the India. Look at India is the world map. Study the map carefully. Okay. What are the boundaries of India? Name the neighboring countries of India. So India is a peninsula. What is the peninsula? So Bharat our motherland. Bharat, we in Hindi word India we call the Bharat also, and motherland also we call the India. So ancient name of what? Why come this India is motherland and Bharat? Why some members called to India and Bharat? Why ante? See this one. Listen ma. The ancient name of India was Bharat. The name India was given by Greeks who invaded the country about 3000 years ago. It's first of all Greeks caste there no that person first of all what in Bharat name given that because of in 3000 years ago the Greeks called the river Sindhu as named to country India. That time river Sindhu river there no that river Sindhus we call the Hindu Nadi. And the Hindu is the our India, our country of India, which means land of Hindus. So the Hindus river there no that river land means bhumi, land of our India. So land of Hindus. The Persians who followed the Greeks called Sindhu as Hindu, and those named land is Hindustan. See, same as the Sindhu Nadi is there, no? The Sindhu Nadi in Greeks caste valu Sindhu Nadi ni Hindu kalu. Same as the same Persian persons caste also we call the Sindhu Nadi ni Hindu. So Hindu and Hindu. So we call the Hindustan. Hindu is Greek word. Hindustan. Hindu is Greek word. Hindu is Greek word and Hindu is Persian word. So we call the India ni Hindustan. Your what called Hindustan also we called. Okay, student. See, do you know what Hindustan means? Do you know? Already in previous class we both are learned. So, see, do you know what Hindustan means? So, surfacely Hindu is the name of the Sindhu river in Persian language. For the same reason, Hindu does not relate to any religion. So, what the Hindu is name of the Persian language also, and this Hindu does not relate to any religions. This Hindu does not any religious connect. So we called the Hindustan. India as a Bharat is now called is a vast country with 29 states and 7 union territories also in there. Due to its vast size, the climate and vegetation of the country are not the same throughout the life of the people. Their food habits, costumes and traditions are different from the region to region also. Same as is there in India. In India have 29 states and 7 union territories. Okay. Territories will be there in 29 states. 7 unions means they are different languages. In 29 states there are different languages and different caste also and different religions also. Their food also different. Total different in there. However, in spite of these So however possible, they're so different, but we all told what? We are the Indian. We are the Indian, and Hindustan हमारा है. भारत देशम मनदी. Like that we slogans also tell, but your language different, the caste different, eating food, wearing dress also different in 29 state also. India lies in the Indian Ocean. It the flanked by the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal on either side. India is surrounded by countries like Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Iran, China, Myanmar. The land mass comprising of India and it is the neighboring country along with the East Indian Islands is called the Indian subcontinent. See India lies. And for example, I told India out of their states, some states will be there. What states see here? That is the Bay of Bengal other side, and Indian surrounded by countries like Nepal. One side Nepal there, one side Pakistan, one side Bangladesh, one side Afghanistan, Iran, China, Myanmar. Like that, total India. These countries are, these states are there. The land of the compression water in neighboring countries, especially in India, neighboring countries, India subcontinent will call. India subcontinent we call. Look for the Tropic of the Cancer in the world map 23. So the Tropic of the Cancer divided the country into almost two climate zones. 23 1/2 degree north latitude. The southern tip of the Indian peninsula is the Kanyakumari. It is the point where Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal meet the Indian Ocean. The narrow strip of the water, the separate Indian from Sri Lanka, is called the Palak Strait. The strait is the narrow strip of the water wall joining the two large water bodies will be there also. So in Bay of Bengal in meet this India only and Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean the narrow the water to separate. So the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal also there in Indian Ocean only. So student, drivers of the culture. When we walk on the Indian, they cannot but think of it is the glazary past. It was the cradle of two great civilizations, the Indus Valley civilization and the Vedic age. The way of life passed on by this civilization can be seen even today. Although there are the influences of the virgin invasives, Indian was the attacked and the conquered many foreign invaders. Greek and the Persians and the Mughals, the Turks and the Mughals and the Europeans, these invasions have the helped to each other to any culture of the country. It has the resulted in the blend of various culture, traditionals, lifestyle and art form. This is the reason why India is called the perfect example of unity of diversity. See, I told you, no drivers. Drivers means center. So I told you in 29 states will be there, but they are different food, different clothing weight, different state also, different languages also. Okay, student. Today Hindustan, India explain. Tomorrow I explain the how the religions, what are their religions in Indian. Okay, how the Sikkim's language, how the gods of this India in 29 state gods different. No, I explain the tomorrow what are the different between difference of 29 states in prayers, gods, in traditional dress. Tomorrow I explain. Thanks, ma. Bye, ma.